technique that they used was coiling. Coiling is the technique that they use coils and they put them together. So.
Θα μας δώσεις άλλο ή θα χαλάσουμε αυτό?
Όχι, όχι, θα χαλάσετε αυτό, δεν... So, they were just making the base and then making a coil.
Αυτό κάνουμε σε μικρή είμαστε.
Like this. They were just attaching it to the base. And then they would make another coil and put it on top, bind them together, and so on. And by this, they were able to make more intricate things. Like if you see the air balloon there, this is made with coiling. The one on the top.
Πώς?
Αυτό είναι με μακαρόνι. Έτσι λέγεται αυτό. Αυτή η τεχνική λέγεται μακαρόνι.
Αυτή που έκανε εσύ ήδη.
Ναι, ναι.
Εγώ κάνω και κάποιες γραμμούλες έτσι και μετά...
Ναι, ό,τι θέλετε. Αυτό ουσιαστικά το φτιάχνετε έτσι. So, these are the most basic techniques before the invention of the wheel. After the wheel was invented, it was different. My brother will show you afterwards. Okay, so those were the basic techniques to use to make like everyday items like balls and other like plates and stuff. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna make copies from molds. These are from prototypes that we have made. This is the different part because if you want to make something like this, you have to have like a little bit of carving talent. You know, you have to know. But to do this, you don't need anything. You just press the clay inside, you take it out, and it's ready to be used after it's baked. Okay. So, I'm gonna give you clay a little bit more because you're gonna need it for the. And you're gonna each take one of these. If there are not enough, you're gonna use later.
Το ένα θα πάρει ο καθένας.
Πώς?
Εντάξει, και να μην πάρω δεν
Ναι, θα το δούμε, γιατί εγώ είχα απολογίσει 8 άτομα.
Εντάξει, θα πάρουμε 1-2 άτομα, σιγά τώρα.
Ναι, ναι.
Δεν χρειάζεται λένε. Άστο τώρα. Όχι, έχει κομμάτια.
Για το ζεύγος.
Μα παιδιά δεν είναι κομμάτια έχει.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you in one, so you know how to do it. Okay? So, what we do is take the clay, we press it a little bit inside, and then slowly, we don't want to hurt our hands, we slowly bang it into place, like this.
Are we going to put what we made?
Sorry?
Are we going to put it here?
Yeah, yeah.
I just made this
It was just a demonstration to see the techniques. Okay. Just wait. Don't do it while I show you because
Okay.
it's no use. Just watch, and then if you have any questions, you can ask. Okay. So after we do it like this, we will take like a knife or maybe this, and do it like this. And then we're gonna, because we don't want to have like too many imperfections after. The more you make it perfect every step, it's less work after. Because if you leave like too many imperfections, you have to correct them later.
Sure. Can we have a little bit more?
Yes, I'm gonna give to everyone, don't
I
worry.
want to keep mine.
Έλα, θα φτιάξει και καλύτερα μάλλον.
Εγώ έφτιαξα, τι είναι αυτό, τα πόδια δεν.
Μπορώ να πάρω τα απομεινάρια.
Είναι αγκείο.
Εκεί είναι.
So,
I'll take
Then-
this. Can I take this?
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Now it's almost done. We take another piece of clay. Okay. We do it like a stump. And then we straighten it out. Okay? And then we can make the holes if you want.
Το βγάλες δεν είδα.
Θα το ξαναδείξω. Okay?
Ah, very nice. I like.
And then if you want like to make like little details, if you say, oh, okay, this I don't like, you can correct it. Or if you, even if you say that this is not correct, you can make all the details.
Πώς το βγάλες?